Hi, it's me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut and assemble this pocket and Zig Zag card using an SVG file that I have created and linked down below. I will be showing you how to use the score file, how to use the dash line file, and of course, assembly. Feel free to jump around the video if you want to get ahead or move behind. Let's get started. How to use the score file. In this video, I will be using Cricut Design Space to demonstrate. Please use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload, then click Upload Image. You can either drag the file or browse for it. I am going to drag the file. The file is called Zig Zag Card _score. A preview image will appear. Click Continue. Another preview image will appear. Click Upload. When the file loads, all of the objects will be grouped together. At this point, you can drag the corner and size it to whatever size you want. To size it to its intended size, resize it to 8.988 inches wide by 7.397 inches in height. To confirm that sizing is correct, open up the main group and click on the yellow square. Its measurement should be 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches. Now let's ungroup the header group and review all the pieces. This piece right here are pieces of decoration. Copy and paste where is needed. This is the base card. This is the backing for the pocket. This is the pocket, and this is the pocket decoration. Some lines need to be converted to score lines. Let's start with the base card. Click on the base card, then open up the group highlighted in the layers panel. Click the layer that has two bracket looking lines, then change its operation from basic cut to score. Click the header, then click attach. And it's done. Next, click on the pocket. Open up the group that is highlighted in the layers panel. Click on the L looking line, then change its operation from basic cut to score. Click the group header, then click attach. And now we're all done here. Click make and follow the instructions on screen. How to use the dashed file. I will be using Cricut Design Space to demonstrate. Please use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload, then click Upload Image. You can either drag the file in here or browse for it. I am going to drag the file. The name of the file is called Zig Zag Card _dashed. A preview image will appear. Click Continue. Another preview will appear. Click Upload. When the file loads, all of the objects will be grouped together. At this point, you can drag the corner and resize it to whatever size you want. To size it to its intended size, click on the group and then adjust the settings to be 8.555 inches in width by 7.542 inches in height. To confirm your sizing is correct, open the group and click on the yellow square. The size should be 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches. Let's ungroup the main group and review all of the pieces. This piece right here are pieces of decor. Copy and paste more as needed. This is the base card with dash lines instead of score lines. This is the pocket backing. This is the pocket, again with dash lines instead of score lines, and this is a piece of decor for the pocket. Since we have dash lines instead of score lines, this file is ready to cut. Click make and then follow the instructions on screen. How to assemble the card. Let's review the pieces. This is the pocket and this is the decoration for the pocket. This is the base card, and these pieces right here are the base card decorations. Let's begin by folding the pocket. We're going to move these pieces to the side so they're out of the way, and let's get folding. We're going to take this pocket piece and fold all the pieces back like this. Now, folding it like this will cause the pocket to fit nicely on the left. If you want the pocket to go on the right, just fold the pieces the other way. For this video, I will be folding the pocket and placing it on the left side. So let's get gluing. So we are going to place glue right here on these really giant glue tabs. And then we are going to place it in the left corner just like this. Everything should fit quite snugly around that corner for this little pocket. Now we are going to decorate this little pocket using this purple piece. So just put a little bit of glue right there and then stick it on top of the pocket. And now the pocket is nice and decorated, and we can move on to the base card. So this is the base card, and the base card has multiple score lines in it, and it can get a little confusing. So we're going to work top to bottom. We're going to start by rotating it to the right, and then we're going to fold this crease first. And this one we're going to make a mountain fold. For the next set of creases, we're going to fold the score lines as a valley on the right and left sides, and the one between it is going to be a mountain. So it'll look something like this. The next set of score lines, we are going to fold it opposite. So those are going to be mountains on the sides. And then the one in the middle is going to be a valley. So the middle piece is opposite of what's going on the side. And this last piece right here only has the side creases, and they are going to be mountains. So when we scrunch everything up together like this, it's going to look like a little accordion. Ta-da! Now you have a base card that looks like this. So what I'm doing right here is I am training the paper so that it remembers where it needs to be folded. I recommend you do the same. So now let's flatten the card and start gluing down these pieces of decoration. There are 3 large rectangles that will be glued into the card right here, here, and here. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Then we have these 4 smaller rectangles, and they will be glued in the corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lastly, we have these long rectangles for the top and bottom. So now when you fold the card in like this, you'll see all the colors. Now I realize I should have used more bold colors for this video, but please be creative with your coloring. There are also spots in here for additional smaller rectangles if you so choose to use them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and please reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Bye.